In this video, you will learn how to reset all settings on Windows 11. We're going to use the easiest method to reset your Windows 11 PC. First, click on the search icon on your taskbar. Now, type Reset. From the search results, click on Reset this PC. That will open the settings page for recovery. There's also another way to get to the same page. Just right-click on the Start icon, then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on System on the left side. Now scroll down and click on Recovery. On the Recovery page, you will see a section called Recovery Options. Under that, you'll see Reset this PC. It says, choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Click on the button that says Reset PC. If you're using a laptop, make sure it's plugged in before you start the reset. This will stop the reset from being interrupted due to low battery. Next, you will see two options. The first one is Keep My Files. This will remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files like documents, pictures, and videos. The second option is Remove Everything. This will remove all your files, apps, and settings. It's like starting with a brand new computer. Let's go with the first option now, Keep My Files. After clicking that, you will see two more options. One is Cloud Download, the other is Local Reinstall. If you don't know if your computer has factory settings or not, I recommend choosing Local Reinstall. It will reinstall Windows using the files already on your device. Click on Local Reinstall. Next, you will see a screen showing your current settings. It tells you that your apps and settings will be restored to default, but your personal files will be kept. Click on Next to continue. Now, your system will begin preparing to reset. At this point, it will show a message saying, Ready to reset this PC. Since we chose Keep My Files, it will reset Windows settings and apps, but your personal files will still be there. When you click on the Reset button, your system will restart and begin the reset process. Since I'm not resetting this computer right now, I will click Cancel. But on your computer, once you click Reset, the system will guide you through the rest with simple prompts. Now let's try the second option, Remove Everything. Click on Reset this PC, then choose Remove Everything. This option will remove all your files, apps, and settings. Again, you'll see Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. You can choose Local Reinstall to use the files on your device. If that doesn't work, or if you want the latest version of Windows, you can choose Cloud Download. Keep in mind, the Cloud Download needs internet. It will use around 4 to 5 GB of data. Click on Next. It will begin downloading Windows from Microsoft servers. Once the download is complete, it will start resetting your computer. You may be asked to confirm a few more things before the reset begins. Just follow the steps on the screen, and that's it. This is how you can reset your Windows 11 PC either by keeping your files or removing everything. Thanks for watching.